Hello, I am Mike Kibler of Kibler's Typewriter Company. What you have here is an Oliver No.9 Typewriter, serial number 739153, May 1919. This typewriter was a wreck when I found it in an antique store. The pull cord was gone, which pulls the carriage. It was grimy, it was dirty, it was just a total mess. When I found it for $89, I thought that was a pretty good deal, despite all the work that had to be done on it. So I bought it, restored it, and what you see now is a result of several months of hard work and restoration. And I even found the original Oliver kit, accessory kit, in a neighboring antique store, but more on that later. The most apparent feature of this beauty would be the U-shaped type bars located here and here above the carriage, in which the type bars are placed, and as you can see, U-shaped type bars swing down from the bat ears, as typewriter enthusiasts call them, and hit the paper, thus producing visible printing. Other features include a tabulator, automatic carriage spacing with this knob when you push it in, double shift for capitals and figures, and as you can see, let me just give it an angle. As you can see here, it moves the carriage, not the type bars as in new typewriters, which provides for 84 characters and figures, ranging from capitals and numbers to signs you don't even see on modern keyboards, like set signs and the like. Other features include the right and left margin release and settings, a two-color ribbon for both red, black, or whatever other colors you can find. The red and black are the most popular ribbons. It also has a backspace lever, not a key, right here. Works great. You also have you have handles on the side here and over here in the shadows, and that makes for easier transportation. I'll just demonstrate that right now. It's still a very heavy burden for anyone to carry, but at least it just makes it a little bit easier for all of us. It also has automatic ribbon reverse, but you can change it manually by these little lever right there, not lever, button right there. Yeah, that's about it. There's also the most important feature, or the most unique feature, would be this right here. This is a swing down pencil or pen, wherever you put it in this, that can draw lines when pushed against the carriage. When you push the carriage forward, backwards, up, or down. And you see, it's very simple, yet it's so useful. And we're just going to listen to the bell. That's a very loud bell, but I like it. It's very nice. The rubber is in pretty good condition. The paint, all the decals. Speaking of the decals, I'm just going to read a few of them to you. The one right here says, manufactured by the Oliver Typewriter Company, Chicago, United States of America. Keep machine clean and oiled. Number 9. The one up here, that says the Oliver number 9 standard visible typewriter. And one right here just shows a depiction of the typewriter, and it says the print type Oliver with a little policeman right there. Patented November 5th, 1912. And that's just the type of print used, type of font used, and it's meant to resemble book print. This is the Oliver typewriter kit I found in a neighboring antique shop. Open it up. Has 3 brushes, horsehair, a paintbrush, and a other brush, and a very nice wooden handled flathead screwdriver. We also have, I also have a manual reproduction, but it's great. It shows everything you'd ever need to know about these things. I recommend you getting a reproduction manual with any typewriter. And now I'm going to end with a short demonstration of the Oliver. I will type the sentence: "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," which uses every letter of the alphabet to test if keys are working. Now I'm going to do it slowly at first, then speed up so you can see the typo action. Alright? As you can see, all the type bars work beautifully. And another little note or two, when you're working with the Oliver or restoring it, always try to get the original ribbon spools. There's an eBay seller online named the Oliver Typewriter Shop that sells spools for these kind of typewriters, and it's very useful, because otherwise you won't be able to put the ribbon on unless you make some. I have the designs for them, but it's just a pain. It's better to buy one or save the originals. This concludes my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from me.